Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to implement in-app updates in Android apps using Kotlin. Let's start. First, create new project and select empty views activity. Click next and name the app. In app in-app update. Select the language Kotlin and click on finish button. Project is building. Gradle configure projects. Wait some time. Now go to the Gradle script and click on build Gradles. And add a dependency. Go to the browser and type in app updates. Click on first link in-app updates Android developer. And scroll. Click on Kotlin or Java. And here are the dependencies. For Kotlin, copy this dependency and paste on build Gradle and click sync now. First, declare a variable for app manager. App update manager. And now initialize the app update manager. App update manager is equal. Select the app update manager factory dot create and pass here context. In this case our context is this, right? First, create a activity result launcher. Is equal registered for activity result. Activity result contracts select this dot contracts activity results contracts. Select this dot start intent sending for result. Select the start intent sending for result. Put the curly braces here. Activity result. Select the activity result. Android X activity result. And pass the condition here. If result dot result code not equal result OK. And create a toast here. Toast dot make text error. If the user denied to update the apps, this message will display. Or you can pass here any message. And if I update is very critical, very important, you can pass the code here for force update the app. Now go to the browser and scroll, check for update availability. Here are the code for check update availability, but some functions are deprecated, so we will use a new method. Now create a function, create here, private fun check updates. First declare a variables, app update info task equal app update manager dot app update info. App update info dot on success listener. on success listener. And now pass the condition for update availability. If app update info dot update availability equal update availability dot update available. That means that if update is available, and app update info dot is update type allowed. App update types dot there are two types of updates type. One is flexible and another is immediate. Select flexible. And correct here. Right. And go to the browser now. And there are two types of update. One is flexible updates and another is immediate update. What is in-app updates? If user using old version of app and developer has released new version of app, then user see the pop-up notification for update the new version of app. So there are two types of updates. Flexible updates show the pop-up version and call the updates this like this type, and immediate updates show the full screen pop-ups and forced to update immediately. In the flexible updates, user have choice to update or not update or update later. But in the immediate updates, user see the full screen pop-up and no choice to leave the update. If app update is very critical or very important, then select here immediate. Else select the flexible update. App update manager dot start update flow result. App update info, comma, and pass activity result launcher. App update options, dot new builder. Pass here new builder. App update types dot flexible. Dot set allow access pack deletion true. Dot build. If you want to delete all assets from old version, then set is true, as set is false. By default, this is set false. If we don't need to delete assets from old version, to remove this line, don't use this line. This may be harmed. This may be delete old user data. So remove this line. If ensure to clean all data, so keep this line. By default, remove this line. Now create a listener here outside this private listener. Select the install state update listener. Right. and check the condition here. If state dot install status dot if install status is downloaded, that means if the download completed, then user will shown a snack bar to install update. So let's create a function for displaying snack bar. Fun create a function pop-up snack bar for complete updates. First go to the layout and activity main. And ID, set the ID for any control or create a button. I am creating for this only for example. And now go to the main activity.kt and create here snack bar, and snack bar dot make find view by id. Right here r dot id dot and insert here any control for id to show snack bar, and insert the text an update has been updated for displaying users. Snack bar dot set here length indefinite. There are three types of length short and length long. I am selecting here length indefinite and dot apply and set action. Insert here install and update manager dot complete update. Set the colors for install. Set action dot text color. You can choose any color for this text and copy this and pass this code under the listener. And now register the listener. And go to the function check updates and register update listener here. Update manager dot registered listener and pass listener here Right. Now if updates completed, the listener will register. Now create a on destroy and unregistered the listener. App update manager dot unregistered listener, partial listener. Right. And now create a on resume on resume. What happened in on resume? If download is downloaded, if new version of app is downloaded, that means download completed, but user not installed. So prompt the user to install. App update manager dot app in update info dot add on success listener. And now check a condition here. This is if app update info dot install status. If install status is downloaded, then only pop-up message display that complete. If user once downloaded, then only snack bar will display that install the updates. Now on create, under the on create, pass this function check update. Right. Test this app, run the emulator, test this app on physical device. So app is working perfectly, no any internal error. How to test this app perfectly? First create a signed APK bundles and publish this app in your Google Play Store. You can publish your app in internal testing thread and download this app in your physical device. And now go to the build Gradle and upgrade this version code to upper like this. And now build generate APK bundles and then publish this app on your Play Store but don't install this app's lower version and you will see the result. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, then like the video and subscribe this channel.